devil. Here's a nice little tour of where we're going to be staying in this campground. It's a National Forest campground. We are the only ones here. Alright, it's currently December 20th. It's sometime early in the morning. I'm not exactly sure what time it is. We're in rural north central Nebraska trying to get Levi a nice mule deer this week. Got down to about 20 degrees last night. Camped out in the tent. So I'm gonna go try to see if we can get something this morning.
Wind's brutal. It's a little cold. What, seen what? 4 doe this morning. All whitetail, unfortunately. No muleys. In pursuit. About to switch up a little bit, check out a different spot, and go from there.
Well, as Levi said, no luck on the deer. We are currently on our way back to the vehicle. Calling it. It's somewhere midday. We determined we are right on the border of Central Time Zone and Mountain Time Zone. And depending on what cell tower our phone pings, tells us what time it is. So our clocks are going back and forth. It's a solid 15 degrees out, and our waters are frozen. And thankfully the wind has died down.
Well, what? It's our first deer in, 4 hours probably?
Yep.
Somewhere in there. Tails, though, pretty good gone. Went in, never saw him.
Came back for lunch, made a couple sausages and some soup. Now we're heading back out for the evening hunt. Hopefully we see some deer. Well, it's the end of day one. So it's the end of day one.
Yeah.
No luck today.
Did see some deer, though.
Saw a couple deer.
Nice coyotes, 300 yards away.
Just listened to a bunch of coyotes sound off for the night.
There's one in there. Well,
catch you guys in the morning. Day 2 of Nebraska Sandhill muley pursuit. How we feeling today?
Shooting something.
Gonna shoot something today?
Shooting something today.
All right.
Let's get done.
About 7 a.m. Gonna try out a new spot. Somewhat close to where we were yesterday.
Plus miles.
Yep. Quick weather update. It's about 30 degrees this morning compared to the 15 it was yesterday. Looks like the rest of the week is going to actually get warmer, which is a plus. Wind is moderate this morning, depending on where we're at. Hopefully it stays low. It's probably what, 10 o'clock. Been out here a couple hours now, put a couple miles in. Haven't seen anything yet today. Taking a quick break here, getting out of the wind as we're out here in the plains, sand hills. We're going to regroup, head back into the woods, try a different spot this afternoon.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small, we can sit.
It's about midday, maybe noon, 1 o'clock.
We don't really know.
Yeah. We pulled out of where we were at this morning. We drove probably 4 to 5 miles down through the grasslands here behind us. And we've got a little section down by a river we're going to check out this afternoon and see how it goes.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
We're back at camp. We ended up seeing the first mule deer of the day, actually of the trip so far. Unfortunately, they were on the side of the road, and they were all doe. So can't do that. We let them run. Now we're heading across the road. We're going to check out one last spot for the evening before we venture into some deep grasslands tomorrow. It's the end of day 2. The only deer we saw were the ones along the road. Hopefully things start to pick up with the weather. It's supposed to be warmer the next couple days.
Temperature's plummeted tonight.
It's gonna get a little cold tonight though. Levi, how you feeling?
Well, tough hunting. Hardest I've ever had in my life.
First time hunting out west for him.
Well, the update.
It's mid-morning on Wednesday the 22nd.
Somewhere in there, yeah.
We got in the car this morning, drove to where we were going to go in, but decided, you know what, let's pack up. Let's move to a national forest about
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, about 100 miles west. So we got in the car and drove to town, refueled the car. Right now we're heading back to the campground that we've been staying at the last couple of nights to pack up. And then we're gonna hit the road. It's about 2.5 hour drive